Find the area of the portion of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1, which lies inside the parabola y square is equal to 1 minus x. Now we know that this one, x square plus y square is equal to 1, represents a circle centered at the origin and of radius 1. So you can simplify it, then you'll get y square is equal to 1 minus x square. And if you plot this point, the point here, then when x is equal to 0, y will be plus or minus 1. When x is equal to 1, y will become 0. And since it represents a circle centered at the origin and of radius 1, so this will be, this is minus 1, this is 1 here. So you can draw this circle like this. So this is that curve y square is equal to 1 minus x square, or y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. I'm taking the positive square root only for the time being. I'll tell you afterwards. Now, this is the curve or the circle represented centered at the origin and of radius 1. Now next you draw the graph of this one. Y square is equal to 1 minus x. For that you can construct a table. When x is equal to 0, we have two values of y. When x is equal to 0, there are two values of y. One is plus and minus 1. So it will be this one and this one here. When x is equal to 1, y become 0. So you see that if it represents a parabola whose vertex is equal to, not the origin, but the vertex is this one, 1, 0. So what we need to find is now the area bounded by, or the portion, the area which lies inside the parabola. So now you can see that this is the area which lies inside the parabola, excluding this one. So we have to find this area here, this area. So now I will make this one, I'll shade this one in with two colors so that we can find out what will be the required area. So the required area will be represented by this shade, one with black color and another one with red color. So now the area of this red color here and this one will be the same because it is bounded by the curve y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square, that is a circle. Here also the same one, between x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 0. So it's enough for us to find only the area of this region, that is this one only. From x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 0, and the curve y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. That is the upper half of the circle which lies above the x-axis. So that's why I'm taking the positive square root. Then after that you multiply it by 2. Next you need to find out the area. Okay, here this green one is represented by y square is equal to 1 minus x, or y is equal to square root of 1 minus x. Again, this area represented by black color and this one are the same. So it's enough for us to calculate only this one, which is the region bounded by the curve y is equal to square root of 1 minus x. Again, I'm taking the positive square root because I'm going to consider only this one. Then with the x-axis, from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1. Then after that you multiply it by 2 so that you'll get the total area of this one. So here you can write this one. If I denote it in this way, so the required area, let me denote this one as A, B, C, D. So required area is equal to area A, B, C, D, A. That means this whole thing. And this is equal to area A, B, O, it will be, I'll write 2 times because this area and this area is the same. So it will be 2 times of area A, B, O, A. A, B, O, A. This one, A, B, O, A. Plus now again, since this area and this area are the same, so it will be 2 times of the area B, O, C, P. Twice of B, O, B, O, C, B, O, B, OCP. So what is this area? The first one. Area AB, OA. ABOA is bounded by the curve y is equal to, bounded by y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square, that is a portion of the circle, and the x-axis between x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 0. And the second one is this one, area BOCB. This one, area BOCB. This one is bounded by, you can see this one. This one is bounded by the curve, this green one. Y is equal to square root of 1 minus x. The x-axis between x is equal to 0, because the y-axis is always represented by the equation x is equal to 0. And since the radius of this circle is equal to 1, so this line you can as 1. So, and x is equal to 1. So you'll get it as, for the first one it will be integral minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0. But what is y here? Y dx, using the formula integral of y dx from x is equal to a to x is equal to b. But what is y in this case? It is square root of 1 minus x square dx, plus now the area of this one, it is bounded by the curve from 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Y, what is y? It is just square root of 1 minus x dx. Now minus 1 to 0 is same thing as integral using properties of integration that I have done in the first semester. 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus x square dx plus integral 0 to 1 square root of 1 minus x dx. So for the calculation of this one, you can refer to the notes that I have already sent you. And now I hope it is clear that how we calculate the area of the portion of the circle which lies inside the parabola y square is equal to 1 minus x.